Good morning, Darren here from BicycleTerrainPro.com. It's day 4 of our bike tour here in northern Sweden. Today we are just outside of the town of Skellefteå, about 15 kilometers to the west. And today we're going to cycle north about 50 kilometers or so towards the town of Pateo. We aren't going to quite get there today, but we're going to camp somewhere in between. So we're packing up our tents right now. We spent the night camped on the edge of a big beautiful lake, and we're gonna pack up and hit the road. It looks like it could rain today, so fingers crossed that won't happen. So what do you think of the bike tour so far?
Oh, amazing.
Yeah,
for sure. That's been great. Awesome people. The cycling's been fantastic. Traffic's good. Bit of headwind. It's no big deal. Yeah. Great camping.
What was your favorite part so far?
Oh, hanging out with Michael and his family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was fantastic. Yeah, being incredibly hospitable and just sort of making new friends and getting connected with that family. I thought that was fantastic. For me, that was a highlight.
So what's the plan today?
Well, we're going to try to cycle along the coast. So we're going to take, instead of going through Skellefteå, we're going to go up around the mountain to this town called Kåge. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then we're going to ride along the coast. So hopefully we can get about 40 kilometers in. Hopefully.
So we've been on the road for 3 days now, right? What's been the best part?
I don't really know. I think it has been really fun all the time. But maybe yesterday it was really fun going on the zip lines.
Yeah.
Because I have never done that before.
Cool.
Yeah.
And what do you think of just like camping and all that kind of stuff? Do you like that, or wish you had a shower?
It would be nice with a shower, yes, but it's okay.
All right, we're back on the road.
Finally. Hopefully the rain that we're going to get is just drizzle.
We're going right here. Wrong way.
We're going right?
Yeah, this is... Yeah. Rob's navigating.
Am I navigating?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm navigating. Oh, no, shut up?
Yeah, that was good.
I was like, Doug just got his new best friend.
Yeah.
Here's our first wild animal spotting here. It's a native Swedish lynx, according to Rob.
Vicious animal.
Yeah.
Vicious. This is beautiful. Except for one spot on the roof, which had prematurely turned green.
Kan du lite svenska?
Ja, jag kan svenska.
Jaha. Ja, men jag håller på med rätt om att jag har kusiner i Kanada.
Ja, jag
Ja.
in Canada.
Oh,
Ja,
okay.
Ontario.
Oh, Ontario.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're from.
Ontario. Yeah.
Ontario.
Jaha.
Yeah.
De är därifrån kanske.
So we took a little back road today, and it turned out to be really, really nice. Almost no cars. The weather's a bit cold and dark today, but otherwise it's really, really nice. Ease. So that big road right there is the E4. That's the main highway that runs up and down the coast here in Sweden. And we're avoiding that main highway by cycling on smaller side roads, which is really nice. Here's the rest of the group. It's fun for me to be on this bike tour right now, to have other people with me, not only for the company, but to have them in my videos. Because I'm so used to just kind of shooting myself. Right now I'm not shooting myself as much as I normally do. I'm kind of shooting the others in the group a whole lot more, so it's kind of nice. I am in the background and they are in the foreground. Like as a kid, I would be in heaven to be in Sweden, because there's just so much outdoor stuff that you can do. Swimming, lakes, forests. Come out in the forest, build a little fort out here or something.
Oh yeah.
You know?
It's just incredible.
Yeah. We're eating ice cream and waiting.
I thought you were taking a picture.
And now I'm doing video. There's Rob. You were right. He was over there.
Yeah.
We're eating ice cream while Rob and Doug do errands. So what are we doing here?
What are we doing?
Yep.
Well, I just got some rash cream.
What for? Please explain more.
Oh yeah? You want to see?
Yeah.
Want to see my rash? You know? Things happen.
Yeah.
If you're gonna have adventures, you're gonna have misadventures. Right? So that's all good. I'm just eating some really stinky salami chips, which I've never seen before, ever.
And is it good?
Yeah, it's really tasty, but it needs beer to be washed down properly.
It's not the worst job I could think of that I want to do. But yeah.
But let's just say the dream job, like, or dream life, maybe. Not even, some people don't want a job at all, I guess. I don't want a job.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe something like in the more art.
All right, we're on the road here. We're flying in the flying V formation. We're going about, what, 15 more kilometers or so maybe?
About 17 now.
17. Trying to find, there's supposed to be like a campsite with a fire pit and stuff along the edge of a river. So that's where we're trying to go tonight. I love it when the cloud formations are just awesome. Woo! Just started raining. I'm hoping we can cycle out from underneath the cloud. Ah. Yeah, it does actually. That's cold.
So warm, yeah.
We just got dumped on like crazy. Oh man. We saw some dark clouds and we thought, is it gonna rain? Is it gonna rain? And then all of a sudden, boom! Oh man. That was cool. We're trying to make it up the road to this shelter. There's supposedly a shelter and a campground along the edge of a river, so that's where we're trying to go. It's a little ways further though. Might be hard to see there, but there's a rainbow off in the distance. It's a nice house. A little rainbow there. Can you see it? It's not often I can ride in the other lane. What time it is? You can camp here if you're a believer.
You're a believer?
Yeah. 80 kilometers today, and we are at our campsite. Right on the side of the road. Kind of. That's alright.
Correction, 88 kilometers today. Right.
So,
Nice
how do you
spot.
guys, what do you think, Doug?
That was great.
Yeah.
Beautiful. The river, probably some firewood. Get dry and warm around the fire.
Yeah. All right, so this is our campsite on the edge of the river here in northern Sweden. Got my tent here with my bike. Linnea has her bike and her tent here. She's drying her mat on top of the tent. Here's Doug using my old tent. Poor guy. And Rob's over here in his spacious, luxurious tent. Right by the edge of the river. That's really nice.
So in a rain like this, it's like it's no good.
Yeah, my feet are actually relatively dry.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But it's the same war and everything.
Mhm.
Yeah. Where Normandy was, it's further south than Dunkirk. Dunkirk's right across from England, and Normandy's further south, like 200. Looks like it might rain tonight, so Line is going to sleep under this shelter. Her tent's not as so waterproof, we don't think, so we're gonna put her tent under here.
Well, yeah, so this is what's coming towards our campsite tonight. Well then. All right. Here.
It's pouring rain right now. Luckily we're under this shelter. Dang. Smoke's going in my eyes.
Right in our faces.
Oh man, we're gonna make a fire. Jeez. Raining like crazy right now. Go, Rob, go. You can do it. Fly like an eagle.
All that work in the adventure park helps.
That's the moon up above our campsite here. We're all taking pictures of it. Our tents are right there.